In this exercise, we will rank countries according to how high they score on an alternative HDI index that you created using indicators that you chose from the United Nations data. In this example, we've simplified the worksheet a little bit to make it clearer what we're doing. In the yellow highlighted columns, we created our own HDI from 3 indicators and averaged them to create our version of the HDI in the column titled Own Index. Let's see how different the country ranking for our HDI is from the official version. First, we need to rank the countries in our HDI. In this example, we're working only with a subset of 50 countries, but the principle's the same as if we were working with the full list. Label a new column as the ranking for your HDI, and on the first row type equals rank and then open the bracket. This function has 3 arguments, and it's important to get them right. The first is the easiest, it's the cell that you're ranking, and that's the cell to the left. Then type a comma. The second is the list of cells which we're ranking. Select that list by highlighting the cells, then type another comma. The final argument is 0 if you want a descending list, that is, the highest number ranks 1, or 1 if you want it the other way round. We type 0, close the bracket, and hit enter. Then we can apply this to every cell by finding the corner of the cell with the function in it and dragging it down. But we've made an error here, and you can clearly see that we have. This list should be a set of numbers between 1 and 50. So what's gone wrong? Well, click on the formula again. We want to have a look at the second argument, the list that we're ranking, because we want this to stay the same in all cells. But Excel needs to be told that specifically, and so we need to insert $signs before the column and row numbers. So do that, hit enter, and copy this function down again. Now you can see our list is ranked from 1 to 50. But it doesn't look very much like the ranking for the HDI. We can see how close we are in a couple of ways. First of all, we can make a new column of the differences in rank. If the rankings were similar, these numbers should be quite small, and they're not. Another way to see how close your index is to the HDI is to make a scatter plot, comparing the HDI rank with your rank. To do this, we select both columns of rankings, hold the Control key down while you select the second column, then click Insert and locate the scatter plot, click on that. And as you can see, our ranking isn't at all similar to the HDI. If it was, the points would cluster to form a straight line sloping upwards. And it's pretty fair to say that isn't what we see here.